Neurons combine to form nerves, which are essential components of peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system connects the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body, enabling communication between brain and various body parts. Nerves are responsible for transmitting signals to and from central nervous system, ensuring that body can respond to stimuli, move, and regulate vital functions. Nerves are made up of bundles of axons that carry electrical impulses. Each nerve is covered by protective layers: epineurium, perineurium, and endoneurium. Epineurium, the outermost layer made of dense connective tissue that protects the entire nerve. Perineurium surrounds bundles of axons called fascicles, providing additional protection and support. Endoneurium, the innermost layer that wraps around individual axons. Inside the endoneurium is a fluid called endoneurial fluid, which helps create a barrier to protect nerve fibers from harmful substances in the bloodstream. How nerves work. Nerve impulses travel through axons, which are extensions of neurons. The process starts with an electrical signal that travels down the axon and converts into chemical messages at the axon terminal. These chemical messages, known as neurotransmitters, cross the synapse, the gap between the neurons, to pass the signal to next neuron or muscle. This chain reaction continues until the message reaches its destination. There are three main types of nerves in the peripheral nervous system: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves. These nerves carry signals from sensory receptors, such as those in the skin, eye, ears, nose, and tongue, to the brain. These signals allow you to perceive sensation like touch, temperature, pain, and taste. Motor nerves. These nerves transmit signals from the brain to muscles, enabling voluntary movements like walking or grabbing objects. Motor nerves also control involuntary muscles that regulate functions such as digestion and heart rate. Mixed nerves. These nerves contain both sensory and motor fibers, allowing them to perform both functions. Mixed nerves carry sensory information to the brain and motor commands. For example, spinal nerves are mixed nerves that manage both sensation and movements in various parts of the body. Nerve damage and regeneration. Nerves are vulnerable to damage from injury, disease, or conditions like diabetes. When nerves are damaged, communication between brain and the body can be disrupted, leading to sensory issues, muscle weakness, or even paralysis. In some cases, nerves can regenerate. If the cell body of the neuron remains intact, the damaged axon may regrow, though the process is slow and may not result in full recovery. Common nerve conditions. Several conditions can affect the nerves, disrupting signal transmission and leading to symptoms like pain, numbness, or weakness. Peripheral neuropathy. Damage to peripheral nerves causing pain, tingling, or weakness. Sciatica. Irritation or compression of sciatic nerve, causing pain down the legs. Multiple sclerosis. An autoimmune disease that damages the myelin sheath, leading to communication problems between brain and rest of the body. Nerves are also categorized by their location within the body. Cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of nerves emerging directly from brain and are responsible for connecting the brain to different parts of head, neck, and upper body. Cranial nerves control senses like sight, smell, taste, and hearing. as well as movements of the face, neck, and shoulders. Spinal nerves. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves that emerge from the spinal cord. These nerves are responsible for transmitting signals between spinal cord and the rest of the body. Each spinal nerve connects to a specific regions of the body, allowing it to control both sensory and motor functions. The spinal nerves are further divided into thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal nerves. Nerves are essential for the body's communication network, helping transmit electrical signals that regulate movement, sensations, and vital functions.